Hello everyone and welcome to Stitch Creations. This is another unboxing from a swap that we've organised, I'd say about September, November-y time, because the box has got some Halloween stuff in it. But this is all for a candy collaboration swap. And this is me unboxing my lovely box of goodies from Insanely Creating. So for this swap, Insanely Creating sent me a box. I sent a box to Lucia's Strange Universe. Lucia sent one to Dollyana. Dollyana sent one to Everything Eden. Everything Eden sent one to Heliophobian Dolls. And Heliophobian Dolls sent one to Shelby KG, who sent a box to Insanely Creating. And my partner drew a little bottom on the box, which had me chuckling. So with the theme being candy, we got everything candy related. So Lee has sent me some beautiful stickers. That was a stunning doll. I'm so in love with that doll. And obviously one of their business cards, which is fantastic. Lee also sent me lots of goodies, which she put in a list, which I wasn't going to look at because I wanted it to be a surprise. So I have lots of sweeties and macarons and some pumpkin spice coffee and my own Pokemon cards. I never had my own, the kids always had theirs. And some little luxury things. I think honestly I could probably make about 12 dolls out of all the stuff in this box. There's so many pretty things. So this is some lovely thread and various bits and pieces. I honestly can make so many things out of all of this, so you'll be seeing more of this in future videos. Things like thread is always useful, and all these wonderful little bits and pieces, all the sweetie bits. Honestly, I will try and use as many as I can. I just think there's so many. I don't know, I could do all sorts of things with these. Among the treats, I got this really lovely little candle that glows in the dark, and I spent far too long sniffing it and looking at all the little glow-in-the-dark doofies that are on it. But yeah, focus, stay on target. She also made me these really cute little gummy bear earrings, which are absolutely fabulous. They're one of my favourite ones to wear at the moment, so thank you! So I'm going to try and use everything. So we've got false eyelashes. I'm not usually using false eyelashes on my dolls, but I'll give it a go. And then I have got some gorgeous fabric. Again, not what I had in mind personally for a candy swap, but we're going to make use of it either way. In the box also we got some little bath bombs and some ribbony stuff, and yeah, we're going to use that. What else did we get? We also got some lollipop sticks that are in a rainbow. I might actually not use these because I just quite like them as they are. I've got a thing for things in rainbow order, but yeah. On brand with the witchy theme, thank you very much. It was Halloween when the boxes got posted out, so we had all sorts of funky Halloweeny stuff in there, which I'm always grateful for. Love Halloween. And we've got more little sweetie star charms, and they're really cute. Just engage brain, make them work, it'll happen. Yes, I can't wait to use all of these. And these little sprinkly things, they look like sprinkles that you get on top of cupcakes, so cupcakes could be a theme. Anyway, let's have a look at everything together. We've got some delicious macarons, some coffee, Skittles, Sour Patch Kids. These didn't last very long. Some little foot socks to make my feet all nice and soft. Bath bomb. Another bath bomb. Candy themed, of course. So ice cream and a donut. Lots of sweet treats. Ooh, sparkly glitter. Can't go wrong with a bit of sparkle. This one's made up of all different shapes and colours, so I was having a very good look into that. It's very pretty. We've got some hundreds and thousands type things. They're going to be very cute. Again, cupcake is coming to mind. And then we've got these giant lollipops. So I was thinking like maybe a bandolier of lollipops, like how American Girl Scouts go out and sell cookies and whatnot. They seem quite, I don't know, how it's portrayed in films over here. I don't know if it's a natural thing. It feels quite militant, and they've got all these targets to make. So I could imagine these kids going around like bandoliers of sweets and cookies and stuff, and being sort of very commanding in their sales. I don't know, it could be a theme, it might not be. We'll just have to see where this takes me. And then we've got some dinky tiny lollipops and sweets and little charms as well. So how are we going to incorporate those? I'm really going to have to put my thinking cap on. And we've got our ribbon, two fantastic nice pastel colours, and these sprinkles, little stars and hearts, again cupcakes. And then there's little stars here, and they're like beads. And then we've got these little gummy jelly things that are very cute, look like they're covered in sugar. And we've got our fabric. I'm still trying to work out how I can make that work. We're going to make it work either way, even if it's an accent colour. Then we've got our elastics and our trim and our strings and bits. My stickers and my witchy bits and pieces. Ooh, don't forget the rainbow lollipop sticks. I'm not sure how we're going to use those still, but they are very satisfying, aren't they? Ooh, and we've got a Halloween chalkboard thing. Ooh, could do a Halloween theme. Maybe. So, with all the goodies, and let's smell that coffee candle again, yes. With all these goodies and bits and pieces, I am absolutely stumped, but I'm so happy with my box of delights. And let's open my first set of Pokemon cards at the ripe old age of 42. Yes. I have no idea what they do, but they're really pretty. Thank you. And there we are, that's all the goodies that Lee sent me, and I am so grateful. Thank you so much. Look at my little handmade card. I love it. He lives by my desk now. So with that leaves me to say thank you very much for staying and watching, and be sure to check out everybody's videos. I'll put all their links below and we get to see what everybody's made. See you soon.